Hello everyone and good morning. I'm so happy to announce that I'm coming up with my next fast track batch. And yes, this small video is just to give you details about this upcoming batch, right? So the details of my batch are gonna be like this. This is gonna be a fast track batch applicable for the May 23 exams. Now, the first question which most of my students have always asked is that, sir, is this fast track batch applicable for a first time learner? Well, yes, definitely it is applicable for a first time learner. See, although this is called a fast track batch, still this will have a complete 100% syllabus coverage. Number one. Secondly, it is definitely applicable for a first time student. A first time student can attend this batch if if you have that dedication and that discipline to attend the batch, if you have that discipline to do some self practice on your own, what practice, that also I will tell you. Yes, and if you have shortage of time, well, frankly, everybody has a shortage of time, right? So I have designed this fast track batch keeping in mind that first timer learner, right? So don't worry, even if you're a first time learner, even if you have not learned this subject anytime earlier, yes, this batch is applicable for you. See, it is a wrong notion that fast track is for repeaters. No, it is not for repeaters, it is for first time learners also, right? The mode, how I'm coming up with this batch, the batch will be in a complete recorded mode. No live classes, recorded video lectures I am giving to you, and the lectures are currently being recorded, right? So it is the latest recordings. Now recorded videos has a benefit for you. See, during live class there will be lots of wastage of time, but in the pre-recorded classes there will be no unnecessary wastage of time, no interactions or no disturbances from the students in between, so that will help you save your time. Plus, if you want, you can also watch these videos at a faster speed. You have an option to watch the videos at 1.2 or 1.3x speeds also, right? That can help you cover up the portions faster. If you think I'm going very slow, you can speed up the video and get your portions covered up faster, right? Plus, I'm giving you 1.5 times view. Now, what does that mean? 1.5 times view means that if you have watched the entire syllabus once, you can again watch the syllabus, not the entire one, but again second time you can watch half the syllabus, right? So half the syllabus you can watch second time for revision or for clarification or for any topic which you did not understand better. You can watch that part of the topic again to understand it better, right? The total duration of the class will be total 125 hours approximately. So I would recommend that if you are watching this batch, then I would recommend that you watch at least daily 5 hours of class, right? So daily 5 hours of class if you watch, then total 25 days you can finish the entire syllabus, right? Plus, apart from daily 5 hours class, I will also give you certain practice to be done on a daily basis. That practice time also you have to consider. But all in all, you should be able to finish this syllabus in approximately 25 days, right? Material I will be giving to you. I have a specially designed book, especially for the fast track batch. I call it the fast track book. I'll be giving you that fast track book. Plus, I'll be giving you additional practice book. You know what is the difference between fast track and a regular batch? Two main differences. In the regular batch, I have a little bit more questions. In the fast track book, I have cut down certain practical questions, right? Secondly, in the regular batch, we solve every question in class. You solve the question, I solve the question, and I also give you time to copy from the screen. But during fast track class, the book that I am giving to you, this fast track book contains all questions with solutions. So we will be saving a major time. The time that we will be saving is majorly will be saving time in writing down the solutions. Yes, I will not give time in writing the answers. You will not give time in writing the answers. We all have printed answers in the book. The focus of the fast track batch will be purely on a conceptual understanding. Yes, the only thing missing in the fast track batch is your self practice. Concept wise, everything will be covered. But yes, only thing missing in the fast track batch will be your self practice. And for that matter, I am giving you additional practice book. So during the classes, I will be telling you that at what point of time you need to practice which question from the practice book, right? So trust me, this will cover everything that you need for the exam. right? The coverage will be, as I said, full syllabus of SCMPE. We will be covering theory as well as practical questions and also certain case studies. Of course, not all the case studies, we will be covering certain case studies. However, for the exam, the same case study is never gonna repeat again. So what we will be focusing on is not just discussing certain case studies. Mainly, we will be focusing on guidelines regarding how to answer that case studies. Right. So I need to prepare you for any case studies which can come in the exam. So I'll be giving you guidelines regarding how to answer case studies. If you understand these guidelines better, then you will be able to answer any case study which comes up in the exam. As a sample, we will be discussing certain case studies, we'll be discussing certain practical questions also, and we will be discussing entire theory. But theory will be discussed in summary, right? That is the coverage of the batch. Well, yes, doubt solving sessions will be taken later on. Before your exam, I will come up with certain live sessions on YouTube for doubt solving. I'll be also giving you YouTube revisions, marathon revisions and YouTube revisions before your exam. These revisions will be helpful if you have attended this particular batch, right? Either you attend the regular batch or you have attended the fast track batch. In any case, revision will be helpful for you. Yeah. The launch date of this batch, I'm launching this batch from 20th November. 20 November is the launch date, so all the dispatch will begin from 20 November. However, the recordings are still being conducted, right? So by 20 November, entire recording will not be completed. The complete syllabus will be available from 15th December. So basically, pen drive deliveries will happen only after 15th December. If you choose the pen drive option, then deliveries will happen from 15th December. But if you choose the Google Drive option, then your deliveries can start from 20 November, right? The platform, the medium on which you can play the classes, well, you can play my classes on any Android phone or any Windows laptop. As of now, Apple phones, iOS devices are currently not supported, right? But we are planning to get that done in a while. So if you are interested, then please check out the registration link in the description below. That's all. Thank you very much.